Okie dokie. Huh. That's safe enough. And of course that's the wrong door. I need that one. Move away, cone. Oh, of course not. Of course, they go down. No idea what the hell I'm doing here. Okay, of course, right in front of the freaking camera. Okay. Oh. So, how's this? I don't know. Of course. I have no idea what that is. What's that? And then and then go there. So, translation. This is the pressure regulator. Comes from the compressor. Goes to various doodads. This is the ooh. Alcoholic. Somebody knew I was going to need a pick-me-up. Oi! You have got to be kidding me. Whew, there we go. And it goes in there. Oh boy. Oh, that's jammed. Oh, look at all the dirt! Frickin' A! So just, what the hell is this? Oh, I'm not sure if you can see anything, but there's a little filter element here. Brass. Keeps all this gunk from getting into the airline. You know what this means? You've got to come off. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the little pump. You push it down. You know, up and down, and that puts alcohol into the brake system, air system, which allows the moisture in the air to not freeze. Now this, I am assuming this is the either in or out. I am hoping there is no check valve in here that will prevent me from shoving air inside of it. We also have this good doodad right here, this nipple. I cannot touch the camera, so I'm hoping you see this. The issue is I want to put air into the bus so I don't fumigate and kill the entire ozone level above my town. And then going with the time-honored spray bottle and seeing where the bubbles appear. You know, you spray a little water with dish detergent, right? The only fuckery here is if I put a quick disconnect, I'm not going to be able to close the damn thing. It's too big. So every time I got to put the damn thing on and take it off. Or if this is my inlet, it's time for homework.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Oh no, you fuck! Get back here. Always be mindful of where you put your tools and parts, because you're going to kick them and they're going to fall always to the freaking bottom of the middle of the everything. Oh! It's like the 2.5 with 24 millimeter. Oh yeah, that's not going to be nice at all. Well, ain't this a peach? They ain't budging. I gotta be careful because there's gonna be a lot of air pressure coming out. Oh, you whore! There's only one bolt in here. You freaking animals. Look at all this gunk.
Ran down the crack of your mama's ass and ended up as a brown stain on the mattress.
It's okay. That just happened. Missed it. Really got to be careful with this shit. Although right now it's only 4 atmospheres, whatever that is. I don't know the pressure on the surface of Jupiter. Even though Jupiter's a gas giant and it probably doesn't have a... Whoa! Skip the thread. Tightening it because frickin' I'm not going to be able to get that out that way. It's time for the big guns. Oh yeah. Get in there. Get in everywhere. See? I'm turning that. I don't want to turn that. I want to turn this. I'm stubborn that way. Frickin' A! Oh, yeah! He who shall persevere shall bust his knuckles. Oh, yeah. Are you winning, son? I don't know, Dad. Am I winning if I'm a plumber? Oh, it's a long thread. There we go. Man, that goes in deep. She said. You know I have to say it. 18. Alright. Oh, something snapped. I'm glad I bought the freaking impact so I can do it with my hands. That has no more threads on it. At all. Freaking A. Okay. Oh, it puked on me. I know what fatherhood feels like now. Oh my God, that was it. That's in my air system. Yeah. Campbell's Chunky. Is it Ziploc baggies? Anyways. And we're gonna do this number on it. I got our nondescript orange bucket. Orange for safety. Makes me happy to polish my tool. That was a thing. One way to get rust and dirt out of Romanian parts. Alright. In the bucket you go. Ugh. And penetrating oil for some seasoning. Ugh. Man, it's like London mornings in there. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is beyond mildly disturbing. When your sheet metal has the consistency of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Old man noises.